Roddy Duterte, it's another day of converting voters to believers. He attends a governance and transparency forum in University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Unlike campaign sorties, not all members of the audience are die-hard Duterte fans. In fact, 18-year-old Steph Pablo is voting for Miriam Defensor Santiago. She has reasons for not liking Duterte.
Yung dahil po sa mga cases niya ng extrajudicial killings, ayun po, medyo yun po yung, although maganda naman po kasi yung gusto niya sa Pilipinas, pero yun po talaga yung parang nag-stuck sa akin na parang negative na para sa akin na attribute niya po.
This is the same forum where Jejomar Binay was roasted by UPLB students. How will Duterte fare?
Mas magiging maganda yung pagtanggap ng mga estudyante kay Mayor Duterte kaysa kay Vice President Binay kasi marami talagang galit na estudyante kay Vice President Binay kasi makikita natin ngayon mas marami talagang tao yung pumunta dito nakapila ngayon kumpara nung forum kay VP Binay.
For Gian, Duterte's weakest suit is his demeanor.
Yung pinaka-negative na kay Duterte ay yung pagiging unpresidential niya. Hindi kasi siya yung common na kandidato na parang kung titignan mo si Duterte, hindi mo siya agad iisipin na bagay maging presidente because of his, way ng pagsasalita.
Students mob Duterte as he enters the venue. His speech is studded with curse words and forceful declarations on his platform.
I promise the people I will improve the law and order of the place. And I said, if I can find peace in this land, maybe the investors will come in and those Davao people who fled during the lean years of Davao, it was racked with violence, baka babalik at reinvest dito sa atin. And I did it.
He's good at making the audience laugh. But during the question and answer portion, his responses are long and winding as one student points out.
So sana pakisagot lang po ng diretso kasi nagtatanong po kami ng diretso dito para makauwi na po kayo.
The lack of time cuts the question and answer portion short to the students' dismay.
I would like to appeal in behalf of the students who fall in line na kung pwede lang po mag-accommodate po ng a few more questions since very rare for us students here to have a visitor such as a presidential ball.
So are the students convinced?
Sa totoo lang hindi. Ngayon hindi. Kasi bakit? Ang daming tinanong ng mga UP student, kaso hindi niya masagot ng direkta. Yun lang naman ang gusto namin. If we ask you a question, answer it directly. Yun lang naman kasi that's how we get to know you That's how we get to know your platform.
With the limited days left to the campaign season, Duterte needs to get his point across before time runs out. P. Renada, Rappler, Los Baños.